2018 to 2022 Ford Transit USB port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2019 Ford Transit Connect, and my USB port here is having issues. I'm going to replace it. Best tool for this job is this plastic pry bar interior tool. I'm going to link it below. They sell them on Amazon, and possibly a small flathead if you have it, but that's optional. So basically what you want to do is take your pry bar tool, and we're going to go in between the USB port and this center console panel that it's in. This has a curve on it, and we're just going to put this underneath here and then just kind of bend it back a little bit like this. It'll pop it out a little bit. You might have to push in to the USB a little bit and then kind of just work your way around and do it. Be very aware of this button, though. You don't want to put any pressure on that button or bump it or nothing. So this will pop out like this, and there's two connectors. There's a gray connector and a black connector. The gray connector has a small little tab. You just push down and pull the connector backwards. And then this one right here, we're going to push with our thumb and then pull it backwards as well. Two hands works best. I had to do it with two hands off camera. I had to cheat, but yep, get this disconnected. And then that's it. So here it is. Here's the part number on the back. It's this part number right here. Now, Ford is infamous for having like 20 part numbers for one part, but they do sell this on Amazon at 68 bucks. Got a 5-star rating of over 100 ratings. It's right here. So I will link this below. Here's just some of the part numbers that are for this single part. I don't know why Ford does this, but they have like 20 part numbers all the time for one part. I'll link this below. This is the Ford OEM one. Okay, so make sure your connectors don't fall in the center console. I forgot to mention that. And you got your new one here, and then it's basically plug and play. We're going to plug the two connectors in, and then it should be good to go. The black one's kind of hard because there's a connector within a connector, and then the gray one goes in. There's only one way it can go. So if they're giving you any trouble, just take your time and get them in. And then after you get it all together, you put that in. It only goes in one way, and then turn it on. If the little USB things light up, then you're good to go. So thanks for watching. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now, AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.